Welcome to LinITX's warehouse, where today we will take you behind the scenes to show you the wide range of brands we stock, their availability and the team that you can count on. Our warehouse is set across 2 floors and is designed to keep high volumes of stock on hand, meaning your orders are shipped quickly and reliably. Here you can see our wide selection of products stocked from many brands including Ubiquity, Microtik, Outer Labs, TP-Link with their Armada and Aginet ranges, HPE, Network Instant On, RF Elements and more. We offer a variety of products from these brands including routers, switches, access points, cameras, door access solutions and more, offering you multiple options for your entire project. At LinITX, we pride ourselves on high stock availability and a real-time stock count, and every stock value you see on our website is reflected on these shelves. That means the items you are ordering are already with us and ready for dispatch, resulting in less waiting and more doing. When you need networking solutions, they're right here, ready to go. Every order is picked, packed and shipped with care. Our team is here to ensure you get the right products quickly, with next day delivery available on all orders placed and paid for before our 4 p.m. cut-off. Thank you for joining us on this warehouse tour. Explore our full range of products at LinITX.com and get the stock that you need.